And Kathy, I'd like to start with you, and I'd like to start with the obvious, and that's what happened yesterday a little bit after 4 p.m. Of course, the SEC account on X tweeting that they had approved spot Bitcoin ETFs. We then heard within minutes from the SEC that that was the result of unauthorized access.
Securities lawyers say that the SEC will have to launch an investigation into itself for market manipulation after the price of Bitcoin dramatically shifted following a hack into its X account. Earlier Tuesday afternoon, the SEC's X account posted, "The SEC grants approval for Bitcoin ETFs for listing on all registered national securities exchanges." However, it was a false alarm. The SEC's chair, Gary Gensler, shortly after the announcement, would make his post, claiming the announcement was false and that the SEC's X account was compromised, and an unauthorized tweet was posted. Gensler says in the post, "The SEC has not approved the listing and trading of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded products. Following the hack, Bitcoin's price dramatically shifted in the markets. Bitcoin price both benefited and suffered from the announcement. At 4:15 p.m., Bitcoin skyrocketed to $47,893, up nearly $1,000 from just minutes before the announcement. However, following the news being reported as false, it immediately crashed down to under $46,000. Now, lawyers suggest that the SEC must launch an investigation into itself for manipulating the markets following the hack. The Bitcoin ETF announcement hack would have violated new SEC rules adopted in July that require a high level of cybersecurity risk management, securities lawyers told Fox Business. And after legally Bitcoin F approved, we can see a jump to $48,969, and we can expect a new high of Bitcoin. In the past few months, the crypto community has been eagerly awaiting the SEC's decision on spot Bitcoin ETFs, and now we've got the official approvals. This is a game changer for the industry, opening the doors for major asset management firms to launch their own Bitcoin-focused exchange-traded funds. Companies like BlackRock, Grayscale, Fidelity, ARK Invest, VanEck, Valkyrie, Invesco, Franklin Templeton, Bitwise, Hashdex, and WisdomTree have all received the regulatory nod. 1. BlackRock's iShare Bitcoin ETF, initial fee of 0.25%, dropping to 0.20% for the first $5 billion in assets for 12 months. 2. Grayscale Investments, Bitcoin ETF, initial fee of 1.5%, converting its Bitcoin trust into a spot Bitcoin ETF. 3. Fidelity Wise Origin, Bitcoin Trust approval with fees set at 0.39%. 4. ARK Invest ARK21 shares, Bitcoin ETF, fees of 0.25% with a fee waiver for 6 months or until the first $1 billion in assets. 5. VanEck Bitcoin Trust, recently approved with a 0.25% fee. 6. Valkyrie Bitcoin Fund, approval with a fee waiver for the first 3 months and a 0.49% fee afterward. 7. Invesco Galaxy, Bitcoin ETF, forming. Bitcoin ETF, BTCO, with a fee waiver for the initial 6 months or the first $5 billion in assets, followed by a 0.39% fee. 8. Franklin Templeton Digital Holdings, Trust, approval with a 0.29% fee and no disclosed waiver details. 9. Bitwise, Bitcoin ETF, updated fees include a waiver for the first 6 months or the first $1 billion in assets, followed by a 0.20% fee. 10. Hashdex Bitcoin Futures, ETF, approved with a 0.90% fee and no disclosed waiver details. 11. WisdomTree, Bitcoin Trust, greenlighted with a waiver for the initial 6 months or after the first $1 billion in assets, followed by a 0.39% fee. There you have it, folks. The SEC's approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs is a historic moment for the crypto market, paving the way for mainstream adoption and investment. Which of these ETFs are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more crypto updates, and hit that bell icon to stay notified. Until next time, stay crypto savvy and keep hodling.